So here at the Saxby's in DuPont Circle, standing by. Gonna do the raffle for the next bag. Gonna put. Oh wait, we gotta take the top ones out. Take that one, Jeffrey Ford. No, not that one. That one. Paul Ford. He's out.
Why?
Because he already won one. This person won one. Cassia won one. And Safa from Melbourne already won. Don't destroy them, but just keep them separate.
Damn. You guys got competition. You better get some little mariachi band going or something.
Here are all the names. I think that's 74 names total in there.
Are you videotaping this?
Yes.
Oh.
Gonna mix it up. Rodney, would you care to pull a name out of the hat for me? This is again for Seagull bag, registration raffle. See, I had to find some people who weren't actually registered for the race, so it would be fair.
Do you have a race?
It wasn't really hard to do. None of these guys. So who won? Shane Murphy. I don't know if we can read that. From Toronto, Canada. All right, well, congratulations, Shane. Bags coming your way. Later.